Hey guys, this is a different video. So I was feeling a little ambitious today. I'm making some bread, homemade bread, and check out that yeast action. Yeah, baby. Um, I also made some beef stew, so that's ready to go. But now I just have to make the bread, and it looks like it's gonna be perfect. Well, don't say that yet, but yeah, wish me luck. Oh my gosh, this dough is so soft and so moist. I'm doing this by holding my camera in one hand and kneading this dough. Oh my God, it's so good. Okay, so that is the ball of dough. Sorry for the bad lighting, but I have to let it rise for maybe 10-15 minutes. It says 20 minutes, but I don't know. It looks really nice to me. So I'm gonna finish this up, let it rise. I'll make some dinner rolls with this. You can also make donuts with this. You can make cinnamon rolls with this dough. So tonight it's dinner rolls for our beef stew. Okay guys, my lighting in the kitchen is not the best right now. So I'm just gonna show you the ball of dough. It is so soft. It smells so delicious. I just greased up some pans that I have right here in front of me and making these dinner rolls, and hopefully I can give some to my daughter if I make enough because I know once my son and my husband eat this, they're going to eat it all up. I know I am. So yeah, I have a pan here. I think it's a 9x9. It's like a brownie pan, and I have like 9 rolls in one pan, and I might need another pan. Oh my gosh. So that's gonna be fun. It'll be baked in the oven at 350 for maybe 20 minutes, I think it was. I think the recipe said 20 minutes. So yeah, I'll see you all when I get back. Hopefully with some baked dinner rolls. I have to let these rise another 5-10 minutes because the yeast on this one has been really good, like no problem. So yeah, I'll be back. So I just covered the rolls with some plastic wrap, and I'm gonna get another tray because I still have a good amount of dough here, so I could probably make one more tray of 9 dinner rolls and put them in the oven. They have to rise. These have to rise. Okay, so I have this one here. You could already see it, you know, fogging up the plastic. That means the yeast is doing its thing. And then over here, I'm going to take it off of this one because I don't want to smash our dough. So you can see it's doing its magic. This one I just covered just now, and I think I need the plastic on that, so I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, I'm excited for bread. Homemade bread. Oh, don't mind the dirty oven. Oh my gosh, we just had Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Now I have to melt some butter to add to the top of our bread. They are done, and I just have to put some butters on it. Butters. I have to put butter on it. Okay, they're not perfect, but they're gonna be delicious. Oh yeah. Who wants bread? Oh, it's so good. It smells so good. Get any more perfect. That's why you grease the pan, so the bread's not sticking to your pan. Oh, it's so good. I just used Crisco to grease the pan. Butter flavored Crisco. And yes, I used Crisco to make my bread because some of us cannot take dairy. And this is margarine, it's not butter. Oh my God. It looks so good. I'm about to eat dinner and fall asleep. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you had fun watching me make some bread. It's not the best videography, but it's okay. Oh gosh, it's gonna be so good. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ooh, this bread. It's got a little toasty on the bottom. It's piping hot. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, yee, yee. Look at that bread. Oh, it's so good. Oh yeah, so yeasty, so good. Delicioso, guys. Eat them up.